Okay, our squid didn't get very far, so we'll fix that. Our squid needs to be able to swim around to explore. They have muscular tail fins that they can use to move backwards using, they can move forwards or backwards using jet propulsion. Okay, let's close that script there. And now let's right click on our squid and edit that script. Okay, a bit more information. This is our juvenile colossal squid. The one that they have in the Museum of Te Papa in Wellington is a juvenile. We want to first detect when we press the up key. We're going to use our up arrow key to move our squid around. So if we go to events and under keyboard, we want when backspace delete pressed. And we're going to change this backspace delete to up. So click on backspace delete, change that to up arrow. Okay, when we press the up arrow, what do we want to do? Again, we're going to use those messages. We're going to broadcast a message, a different one this time. We're going to broadcast move. So let's go to events again, down the bottom, message sending, broadcast message. And this is move, all lowercase. And let's give it a test again. And can we move? When the up arrow is pressed, we're broadcasting move. We need to do the next bit. We need to make it so that we can turn left and turn right as well. Okay, so let's go back to events and grab when backspace delete is pressed, and let's change this one to left arrow. And we also want one for the right arrow so we can turn left and turn right. We can right click on our block to duplicate it. Left arrow and right arrow. And we want to broadcast turn left and turn right for these different keys. So again, from events, we want that broadcast message block. And this to go left is turn left. And to go right is turn right. Okay, that's turn space right and turn space left, all lowercase. Okay. Now, last thing we need to do before this will work is add a tag on our squid here so that the rest of the game knows that this is the player, like an ID badge. So we'll go to events, and up the very top we want this block, when created. We'll drag that out. And when our squid is created, we want to tag it as the player. And the tagging blocks are from sensing. Tagging, add tag, tag name on myself. The tag name is player. When created, add tag player on myself. Up will move, left will turn left, right will turn right. Let's give that a play. Start, turning left, turning right, and moving. Okay, very cool. What are these? Starfish. What about these? Regular fish with sharp teeth. Crabs over here. Now at the moment I can just bump into these things and they don't do much. In the next steps we'll make some of these things interactive. We'll make them do things. What about this guy? Whoa. Looks kind of dangerous. But I can just push him around. Shark. Is that a shark? Yeah, that's a shark. But I can just push it around. So, like I said, we'll make some of these things interactive. But we can move around now. We can explore our game, which is very cool. Okay, let's close that. And I'm going to close this script. And we've made some good progress in our game, so let's go File, Save Game. And I'll save that as the Colossal Squid for Twitch. All right, next step.